Hey guys, welcome to 21 Day Detox Program. Today I'm going to give some tips and tricks on how to eat and how to progress throughout this 21 days detox. Okay, the first thing is you have to change the crockery. It's really very important to change your crockery because it enhances, it gives you the extra interest of having your food. You feel like you're having in a restaurant and you feel like, okay, I'm going to have something really good today. The main thing is take something like this one. You have to take a plate, a glass is an optional. I'll tell you how to drink water also. Like I have you have to drink like 4 liters of water per day. I will be explaining you how to effortlessly drink 4 liters per day. Okay, many people find it really difficult to drink at least 2 liters also, but I will explain you in another video on how to drink 4 liters of water. So the main thing is you have to have this crockery, one plate, and some small bowls like this for salad and for some curry or raita or etc. And you have to have this small spoon, not the regular tablespoon. Okay, the main advantage of having it with small spoon is you will be eating like for long time. So you have to chew the food like for long time, and you have to eat it for longer time so that your stomach will feel full. These tips will really help you in understanding, like if you have completed this, after completing this 21 days detox, you will be completely like understand this, that these tips and tricks really work. Okay, that's the first point, that you have to change your crockery, and you have to make the plate colorful, like salad here, curd here, yogurt here, and your curry or rice over there. You have to make the plate colorful. It has to look colorful so that you will get interest in eating. The second and most important thing in detox is how to measure the food. When it comes to measuring food, I will explain you how, like if you have taken a grocery worth like 50 grams, okay, if you don't have this kitchen scale, this is the option for you. Take a measuring, take a grocery like which is weighing like 50 grams, and mark it till here. Like for example, if it is if the 50 grams of grocery is like full till here, you have to mark it here, and every time you are taking like 50 grams of rice, you have to take till here, so that every the main thing in this diet is to measure the food. Take exactly the amount what I have been mentioning. Like if you have to take 25 grams of paneer or 50 grams of paneer, the paneer packet comes in like 200 grams, right? You have to cut it into 4 equal parts and use it for 4 days. That's how it works. The third thing is to drink water. You have to like drink 4 liters of water compulsorily in this diet. And see, sometimes you feel hungry, but that is not hunger, that is thirsty. Okay, you will be feeling thirsty. So you have to drink like 4 liters of water. I will be doing an extra video on how to drink 4 liters of water. It seems to be really like a huge amount of water, but it is not. You can easily, if I can do it, you can really do it. And if you can't drink like normal plain regular water, you can use like infused water or lemon water with honey, or you can use this lassi or buttermilk or anything, but you have to consume like 4 liters of water per day. The fifth point is don't wait for being hungry. Uh, we'll be feeling like, okay, I'm not hungry, I'll be eating later. But this diet doesn't work. First, you have to follow the timings. Like if your if your lifestyle is to get up at 6 o'clock and go for a walk, then you have to eat like every 2 hours, what I have mentioned. According to your lifestyle, you have to drink and eat in every 2 hours, as I have mentioned in the sheet. Okay, Don't wait till you are hungry. You can say that I'm not hungry now, I'll eat later. It's not like that. Later you will feel more hungry and you will start eating too much. So that's not the case here. You have to eat whenever the time says you have to eat. Okay, the sixth point is to clear your stash. First of all, from all your drawers in the kitchen, just take off those cookies, those chocolate chip cookies, or anything which you like, and do not buy them till 21 days. Okay, I know that seventh day is a cheat meal. You can have anything on seventh day, but don't fill your kitchen with all the stash you like your favorite foods, your chocolate cookies, or your butter cookies, or anything. Okay, just don't have anything in your house. If you have kids, just let them have their favorite foods at home, not yours. Okay, if you want to buy something, buy more of the salads, like buy carrots, buy cucumbers, etc., and cut them into sticks and just store them in the fridge. Okay, whenever you feel hungry, you can just take it and have it. That's not a problem. That doesn't add any extra calories to your diet. Throughout this diet, whenever you are cooking any of the recipes, you have to use only 1 teaspoon of olive oil or 1 teaspoon of ghee. That's it. So throughout the day, you will be consuming only 2 teaspoons of um, ghee or oil. That's it. Nothing else. And many people have said, like most of my clients have said that they won't get time to do these diets and all that. They won't get time to cook all these things. Really, I'm telling you that even I have a family and I have a kid, but I manage things like, see, all these recipes per day will take you like at least 45 minutes. That's it, not more than that. Okay. So, when you are giving everything to your family in time, when you are making their food, when you are giving everything in time, then why can't you make it for yourself? So, first you have to feed yourself. First, you cook for yourself, and first you have to eat, okay? So that your family can eat later, and you will feel hungry, and you will feel active when you have food first. If you have food later, you will feel very hungry, and you will feel angry, and you have this anger issues. So just feed yourself, then you can feed your family. This is the most important thing. First manage it for yourself. First cook for yourself. Get 1 hour early in the morning and cook for yourself. Chop everything, like all the salads and everything. Keep it ready, so that in your meal plan, when you comes to a lunch or dinner or anything, breakfast or anything, you can just assemble everything on the plate and you can just have it, right? So for this meal plans, I'll be sending the grocery list like 1 hour, sorry, 1 day or 2 days before, so that you can clarify all the doubts regarding the meal plan and get all your groceries sorted for the entire week. So I'll be sending the grocery list and the videos of the recipes on how to make on how to make and assemble it on your plate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Important thing is that don't skip your meals. Like people will say that I'm not hungry and I'll not eat my breakfast. This is too much food. I have heard it from so many of my clients that I have been given like too much of food. Like we can't eat some of the meals. Like I'll skip lunch. Don't do that. If you skip lunch, you will be feeling more hungry at 5 o'clock, and you will end up eating something which is not in the meal plan. So don't skip anything from the meal plan. Just eat on time, what I have mentioned. And many people are asking me about on how to work out during these detox diets. I say it's really not important to work out. If you have time, you can just do a brisk walk of 30 minutes. That's more than enough, or 10,000 steps per day is more than enough. And the most important part of this is to motivate yourself. Okay, remember that you are doing this for yourself, nobody else. You are doing this for your body, nobody else. and you are responsible for completing these meal plans, all the 3 meal plans in these 21 days. Okay, and you are responsible each and every day to carry out, like to fulfill this meal plan like 100%. You have to follow this meal plan for 100%. Nobody is going to be accountable for this, only you are accountable for this, because you are doing it for yourself. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You are like, don't do this like you're, like, nobody is watching over me, I can cheat on it. I can just have I can just grab one cube of, I can just have 1 cube of chocolate bar, etc. See, having 1 cube of chocolate bar is not at all a problem. The thing is, you have to be consistent. You have to just curb your cravings. All the meal plans that I'll be giving will definitely fill your stomach. If I can do it, see, you can definitely do it. I have achieved 22 kgs weight loss in like 4 months last year, and this year also I'm doing the same. So definitely all the meals that I will be, all the recipes and all the meals that I'll be giving will definitely fill your stomach, and you won't feel hungry for longer. So that's the main important thing. Okay, and every single thing is like natural product which I'll be giving. There's no artificial flavors, no artificial processed food, etc. So definitely you will feel a change after these 21 days. Just follow the meal plan. If you have any queries, just message me on WhatsApp. I'll be available 24/7 to answer all your queries. So don't think that you are alone. I have this team of like 10 to 15 people who are doing this diet plans now, this 21-day detox. So don't feel that you are alone. Even I am doing it with you. Okay, so all the best for the 21 days. Just be true to yourself. Nobody is going to watch over you. Just be true to yourself, and you will definitely achieve your goals very soon. Thank you.